Hey, welcome to TL Tutoring, and this is a lesson on solving systems of equations by substitution. And so, how we do that, the first thing you want to do is make sure that one of your variables for one of your equations is isolated. So, I'm going to write down notes on the side while I'm talking so that way you know the steps to follow. So, isolate a variable. And in this case, believe it or not, both of our variables are actually isolated. So it doesn't matter which one, as long as one of them is. And what you're going to do is replace your other equation with with what the variable is equal to. Replace other variable in the other equation in other equation. Okay, so what that means is, so for instance, this y over here is isolated by itself. And so what we're going to do is what it equals to is we're going to replace this y with that. And so that's what step 2 is all about, is just figuring out how to set up our substitution problem. So our answer, is going to be in terms of our coordinate points. So with that being said, believe it or not, these two equations we can actually just set equal to each other. So I'm going to say 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 4x minus 3. And then the next step, of course, is solve for the first variable. So solve first variable. Okay. And so I like to draw a line down the middle so that way I keep my work organized. And so to get x by itself, I'm going to add 4x to both sides. And again, it doesn't matter what orders as long as you're adding your like terms together. Okay, so that cancels out. So I have 6x plus 3 is equal to negative 3. And then I'm going to get my constants all on one side. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So now I have 6x is equal to negative 6. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I end up with x being negative 1. And so that's just our first part. We still have to solve for the other variable. Okay, so that next step is plug variable answer to solve for our next problem, to solve for our next variable, to solve other variable. I'm all about writing stuff out, but keeping it short. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this into, and it doesn't matter which equation you plug it into. For this case, I'm gonna plug it into the first one right here. So over here, I'm gonna do this with a different color. So we have y equals 2, and I'm gonna plug in what we have here, which is our x value, which is negative 1 plus 3. And I'm gonna solve for our y. So now I have y is equal to negative 2 plus 3, which in turn ends up being just 1. So our answer would be in terms of coordinate points of negative 1, 1. And this is how we solve by substitution.